Here's one beautiful girl who got all spiffed up today. And here's the other one. What? Don't you jump on me. You are so bad. You are such a bad girl. Yes, you are. Greta, come up on the couch. Up. Thank you, Nikki. Good girl. Good girl. Now, can you sit pretty? Well, that's lovely, Nikki. You look so... That's pretty good, Greta. That's pretty darn good for you. Look at that pretty coat. Did you see that? Whoa, Nikki says, whoa. Back off, puppy. Right? That's what she says. Back off, puppy. You're so cute. Yeah, see, Nikki says no thanks. Huh? Someday you might learn, maybe not. There go the arms. Nikki is not a fan of the arms, Greta. Greta? No talking. Thank you. I said no talking. I said no talking. Honestly, it's like 18 hours of entertainment.